Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Tembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat, honey. I fix, I neutralize, I destroy. I'm back and I'm bothering back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Tembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, Ndombi Yase Bebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo Ma. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Simfanele sima uzosho ukuthi akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami.
No, manje
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Oh, guys, we definitely found a couple. They don't know what's coming. They do not know what's coming. Hi, guys. Hi. How are you? My name is Lisa, right? I go around asking couples questions. Would you be okay with that?
Sure.
Are you sure?
Okay.
Would you be okay with that?
No, it's fine.
It's fine.
That's how kho sho.
Man, that's ukuthi it like no, man. That's kahle kahle
Oh, wow.
Jahang.
Okay, lovey, please stand this side for me. Okay, you sir, this side on the right.
Okay.
Are you sure it's fine?
No, man, sister.
We don't want to force, fella, we don't want to force people to do things they don't want to do.
That's it. No, it's fine. It's nice tuna.
Okay, name?
Ciao.
Jabu and?
Fence.
Fence.
Yes.
How long have you been together?
3 years.
3 years?
Yes.
Still going strong?
I love him so much.
Oh, really?
That's my man.
That's your man, darling.
My man.
Okay. Okay, cool. But in the 3 years, ne? Has there been any cheating?
No.
Fights?
5 years.
5 years.
Yeah,
But cheating?
No.
How do you know offense?
Because that's my man. I know him.
Okay.
I trust him. Angithi
Sure, babe.
manje ubheka le.
No, usinyadenga ukuthi click yes.
Ucabangani?
And like, did I ever cheat and like without her around?
No.
Are you sure? Why did you have to think about it?
Mina ngicheat, yazi ngiyathi sharp kanjani? Yeah, nje yazi ukuthi nje yazi.
Okay, Jam. And the 3 years, did you cheat?
No. Never.
Never. Okay.
I'm a loyal hand.
You're a loyal hand.
I'm a keeper.
Okay. You know what they say? They say girls cheat when there's something missing in a relationship, right?
Well, there's nothing missing.
There's nothing missing in
I
your
get
relationship.
everything.
You get
I'm happy,
everything.
Satisfaction on point.
Okay. How sure are you if she doesn't cheat?
Mina, she's a darling, mina. No, yazi simomothela Lisa. Simnandi yonke into, ngiyangithola.
Yeah.
Mina makangangizogolisi so far.
So far.
Maybe isikhathi masiya ngoba ngathi yazi chat bese siqala ukuhlakanipha.
But it's been 3 years. I don't think, I think it's been long enough.
Uzakuhlakanipha phela into ziyashintsha.
He's gonna meet his lay queen and they're gonna tell her about
bamfaka umqondo omunye nokudayiki obolile. So
imali ntontoni.
bese manje ayithanda imali uthi yambo imthengela nje iMcDonald's 10 rand uzaseka sijikela sekafika esiphinda oba ma 50 rand.
Yeah. And she's gonna wanna go to Sandton, blah blah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Asi manje siphela sayafuna nale abantu ebulodula ko Steve Madden. Come on, right safaka ubon samphethe grand.
She wants Steve Madden manje.
Siyela khona ngithi uyambona sekabhisa kathi manje Steve Madden.
And it's gonna be an issue.
Yo.
You need to calm down.
Nje fast ukuthi angayi la.
Yeah.
Ngiyangithola.
Uzomvala how? Uzomvala njani?
Ngithathakela nje ngizomvela account lapha uthenga khona.
Kanjani manje?
Impahla lapha
Edgar's.
Edgar's.
It's gonna get Edgar's.
Edgar's is good.
Never.
I like Edgar's offense.
That's Steve Madden.
Yabona nje.
Galaxy Boy. Kikenye watch ebonakhalang Apple Pay. Kanti?
No, but Jabu, to be fair, one bag won't hurt.
How?
No, ibhek right
Just one bag.
right ibhek lapha eGas le right.
Uzoyinika umama kendlini. Esoyinika umamzo.
This
Jabu,
this social media is a problem because she saw Steve Madden on social media.
Business
Okay,
Yeah,
ngithini
understand.
frontali ke?
uyazwa ke mina ngiyazi nokuyazi zonke lento lezi mina ngizibona nje ngaye angitshela ngazo uthi shwe zibona lento lezi angizazi mina but
Yeah.
nangithi ngiyacheka ngitshela ama price uyabona ukuthi la
It's too
indaba
much.
izophela la
Yeah.
yazi wena bo right ushintshwa yini vele
Where are you seeing these things from?
On social media, I want to be like,
the social
you
media
know,
is linking on the social media.
I want to be that baddie, that pun.
Why do you want to be a baddie? I think you're so beautiful.
No,
Why would you want to be a baddie?
because I level him, be there. Re tshwana le bana ba bang.
yazi mina ngikushela
Re tsamaya ka maoto every day, sinetshwa imvula. Ha wa tsikolo.
ikhona imoto yasendlini kanti ufuna yiphi
Eyiphi imoto yasendlini?
ikhona musilene yabo
Bicycle.
awu
I never.
Offense, it's a bicycle.
Skateboard.
You know what, guys?
uyangihlaza manje phakathi kwabantu WhatsApp ngawe zikhiphani
Ufuna Steve Madden the frontali Jabu.
Okay, amazipho ke. Asambe siwapenda, ngakhulisile spende.
okay at least
At least Amazipo we can work with Amazipo.
Yeah.
Okay, after this, guys, ne? I don't want to waste any more time, right?
Yeah.
What we do on this show, we make couples switch phones. We do a loyalty test,
okay
right? So what you do, you check her phone and she checks yours.
yazi umtshela into engathi bekafuna ukuyibona kudala yazi
Ngisafuna.
ngosha ngathi uyangifustana kanti yazi ukuthi ufuna ukungibamba kuhle
Abana nakhe wakilakhe khulwani ne?
Oh, you've been wanting to check his phone.
Lisa.
Phone, please.
Lisa. Wa tatasela hobane? Tsa phone eo. Please.
Thank you. We'll start with her phone. Passcode, ne? Give me the passcode or pattern or what.
Lele phone. Batla
Jabu?
go bulela yona.
Are you okay?
I know
Mara makatsa o re pin wena ga o itsebi.
Okay. Here. Okay. Type I love you. Okay, that's you, Mus, right? Right. Delete that. Type I miss you. Okay, that's you, Mus, ne?
yazi loyal ntombazana
Hey, I'm thinking the same thing, yes? Hey. Okay, delete.
eh
Type thank you. Hey, son.
hi sana alright yazi bendiwethe urongo
No.
Papa lo kontu.
Hey.
Sure.
At least this Steve Madden, she's not wanting it from
I
other
know
boys.
yazi
ne?
yasekanga umunye umntwana manje ukuthi yazini
Ngithenge.
ngayenza lento kaloku
Yes.
Steve Madden itla le frontal mode makere la.
We need to
I
calm
know,
down,
as in-
calm down of
but
it.
I'll think about
Not
it
every
yazini
thing
I
at
know
once.
yonke into yakhe ihamba yeziklini
Please. Type bank details. At least you do send her money. We actually only needed to type bank. That's you still, ne? And then mom. Hey, I don't bazan.
Allowance ke deserve.
straight that's what it is
La mo
ever
tshwere le piatla. A ke lo ke motle mahala le gashasha le piatla. Bona ke bo ke motle jang ni tak din le lihle gabi.
She's not lying.
no for sure yazini I know man yazini
Type morning after pill. Yeah, there's nothing.
nothing nada pa
Delete.
Metse the elephant control.
Type pregnant.
Buffaloes and elephants.
Yay, she's expensive.
Don't want cows.
Hey, gig.
what's in type
Pregnant. Yeah, Isanai. We're not finding anything, doll. Delete, type outside. Let's see who's fetching her.
hey yeah
That's you still.
hey
Hey!
wena man yazini
Elephants and buffaloes.
hayi wena man
I don't want cows and chickens.
Yeah, sithi ngihamba ke manje.
Hey, uzama kokai. Emma,
That's your phone.
Your phone please.
asivale ntwana man eh
Phone.
Jabu, you're not gonna do that. She needs to check your
Bula
phone.
phone eo. Kana ke se ba o
You're
sampa.
killing me.
Bula kha utarina nako. bula phone eo. Ke nako ya ka jwale.
Sibheka ifoni kuphela, museyami manje.
Jabu, you're not gonna do that. Asoze.
Okay.
Pin, please,
Bula.
passcode. Pattern, whatever.
Thumela kana. Please. Re bone.
69
Kwa tseba. Ke batla o tla go tauntswe emi khonefa. Ithuteng. O emifa. Ha ona mo yang. We would
You're such a thug, Wana. You're dating a thug, eh?
He. Haili tsotsi ke tla ba kuluvakazi.
Utsotsi.
Kuluva no kuluvakazi. Khotsagalang a re bone.
Okay. What does he type in English now, or what language does he type in?
O ka go ngwala siZulu so.
Okay, it's fine. Type I love you. If we don't find anything more.
Music fa. Bankemetse.
Okay, that's you right at the top. Okay.
Khotshwane.
At least.
Mara tatazela.
Next nyatsha yake.
Tlhubula jacket eo ge. A ke go acha. Tlhubula.
I miss you.
Ke happy.
Me too.
I'm impressed. Di buffalo di atla ke a ingkhella.
Type Stando.
Of course of.
Delete. Type Sam. SAM. Smomondia Sam. That's not you, Mus.
Asinna almost. Emapele re ke tshegepele. E re ke mo kukwele matla.
Go into the chat also. Jabu ya yuruza
Ngwana kwayo.
Ne ngwana ko loko kae? E ka banu u1 kwenu. Ngwana ko lona offing. Offing ka banu u1 kwenu.
Tshele ngaye uhlala le.
Ke mang? Ke mang ka lebitso? A ke go hlala kwa. Ke mang ka lebitso? O tla njwela gompieno. Tla njwetsa.
Tshepisa ke uhlala lena
Tshepiso. O dula ko kae Tshepiso?
Isihlobo sesikhaya sale.
Sako khaya. Khaya le kae?
Empumalanga sangikutshela.
O tswa mang Mpumalanga wena? O ska tore he bana. O tswa mang Mpumalanga ka bana o dula o fela fa.
Everything ngikutshela yonke into kanti.
O fela fa. O tswa mang Mpumalanga?
Hola man. Angeke ngize ngikuchithele uyacava nawe la.
Je ko metkak je. Ngwala masepa. Ke bona ga o
Unyaka
mpone.
ubatla yinga.
Ke tla ithuba phone o tla swaba. Ke ithube.
Do you want us to go, Tsepe?
A re mo founele ibi.
Ngayithula la ile.
Ra mo founela.
Ngayithula
O
la
ska
ile.
tontsetsa ntho ntsetsa yona.
Hayi man.
O tla ka masepa.
Mina ngivale.
O va o ya kae? Ema
Go, Tsepe, Mus.
ra mo founela. O tatazela ke tshilo go gona le ntshong fitlhanya. O ntlala masepa mpone. O nnyadisa ka dishebe tse tletseng mo.
Ngibhelele manje forever. Why mina le la
Vach. O
kanti nawe uthanda ubhayisikele emsabantu mare. Yini inkinga yakho? Hayi man, uthanda ukubuya abantu. Sesichotha abantu manje mina nawe phela isiqelegcele endlini.
But you're cheating, Mus.
Angichithi. Ngisasedlaleni lena ngale Mpumalanga.
kuna Mpumalanga tse mang wena ko Mpumalanga. O fitlhela ke mang le ko Mpumalanga. Bona today o tla mpona. O mpona pele. Ke tswa Limpopo nna o mpona
Not
pele.
answering.
Tshepa teng ga arabe. And o ta araba.
Uyabona
Ka tlo nna ke tshilo wa tshwa ke tsebe. Go sho ke yana tshepa go re ke seng wa tshone.
Ata ngitshela ngathi
Tsepe is not answering. We need you to tell the truth because Tsepe is not answering.
Tell me the truth now. The truth shall set you free.
Go into the. Where's the phone?
The truth shall set you free. Nas kan
Yeah,
kwatisa.
I didn't close.
Matsoga ka bile a
Go into media. Let's see what pictures they send each other.
Wena
Because we're not gonna live here with you
o
still
ska
lying.
atomela.
La awazi wangena. Mase ufuna ungena no fanda. Ubona abantu manje. Mana ke into yenza.
Akitoseka lo wena ne? Ya morao.
Please calm down. Go into the media.
Ngwala masepa wena. Je ko metkak je.
Sister now man yampayisa manje ngasingena endaweni.
What are you guys sending each other here? What's this porn here?
Go monate musimo.
What's this porn here?
Go monate musimo.
Ay, Tsepe.
Mana man ungayithunda ile mfethu.
Go monate fa musi.
Abantu bashe manje basiqhabanisa mina.
Why is she sending you thighs, Tsepe?
Why? And uthi atomela ngikhamba atomela
Why is she
ke
sending you
ufukana.
Mana nhleke ukuthi futhini. Beka ngibonisa ukuthi maka yazi azi ukukhuluma ngithini lento le. Mfethu uyambonisa nje kuphela ukuthi
Qala Dala masepa wena.
Please calm down, Offense. Please calm down, Offense.
Mina ngishilo wena ngathi bawona abantu.
Uyayirusa wena.
Bheka manje
Yeah,
sokwenzani?
you cheating.
Angishiti.
King into yetsa.
Ukwambona before yena umuntu.
King into yetsa.
Yes lento le. Ukwambona before wena. Ukwambona before wena. Ukwambona na before wena lo muntu lona na.
Wena ke pise.
Kiri nna o le wa mbona na before.
Hala di ashes. O ka se ithola Tshepi. O tla ntlhalosetsa gore Tshepi ke mang.
Mana mfethu.
How long have you been with Tshepi?
Utshepi kuphi? Usembo sekhaya.
Araba putso.
Mfethu.
Araba putso.
Owasekhaya uThepi osempumalanga. So
Araba putso.
baby, ngingikushitela mina before.
Kitela ko phone phone ne.
Uyilo wampona na.
Araba putso.
Kijola wena.
Araba putso.
Give him his phone, Offense. Give him his phone.
Uzale ufuna phone.
Yeah, baby, please.
Ithube.
Uyithubela for ini phone.
Bear.
Okay, baby. Okay, fine.
Okay,
Yena
so
emoji
fine what? Fine what?
Ah, no, baby, yabona manje ngigrand mfethu.
Emnginga njani?
What do you mean?
Ntanjatho go Tshepi ke mang.
Ah, baby.
Eh, ska to re
So you got your phone now, you know you're gonna carry on lying. I'm gonna carry on thinking, trying to.
phone ra.
Tana sedladleni wasempumalanga.
Tsepi, hi.
Unjani sani?
Hi, am I speaking to Tsepi, ne?
Yebo, ngikhuluma nobani?
Lisa from CMTV. Do you know who Jabu is?
Yebo, baba ngani yami. Hello.
Hi. How long have you been together? And how old is your child?
Una 7 years boy.
The child is 7. The child is 7. Offense. We're with his girlfriend, Offense, here. Of 3 years.
Friend, hayibo. Usemsebenzini nje.
No, he's not. He's here at the park.
Lo muntu lona.
Ngomdayelo ne.
Ayikho la ideng mfethu. Ayikho la ideng. Tshepi. Ngwana kwaye Tshepi. Hi.
Araba.
Tshepi, ngicela ukuthi nayazi.
Boy.
Oh, damn man.
Oh, wow. And Offense, the child is 7 years old.
7. Usho go style ke nna mone.
Okay, fine.
Bona ne.
Ukhuluma sayiki
Let's
nobani?
explain to you. Ne?
His girlfriend of 3 years.
Sis, ungangitsheli nge-girlfriend.
Wena ska tluba kusokuya kubile na dropa phone e ke bale outside.
Excuse?
Bye. Wena ne. Ke go jetsa gane jwatse go fedile magareng ga ka lwena. Tsheletsa go bua nna no. Sama limpumalanga Tshepi wana lona wa 7 years. Ngishia naye.
Baby.
Yayibe
Baby. Baby. No, man, ungayenzi lento leyo, ungayithula.
Your dad.
nka go suna I never.
Baby, mamela.
Mamela
baby.
Ba go tlhela magaone o ye Mpumalanga.
Hi,
Ke tsa malena ke le ka tsa ba nimise Mpumalanga ne. Nna ke tla ipona.
Baby.
So the relationship's over.
It's done over.
Done.
It's umtshela ivalo ke kusithibana.
Okay.
It's umtshela ivalo.
Okay, we
umtshela ivalo
okay,
mfethu.
okay.
Bheka baby ne. Yazi ukuthi Eish. Oh shit.
Offense, don't you wanna hear?
Before ukuthi ngithi ngiringa. Angithi ngiringa nawe uyakutshela ukuthi kwenzalani.
Okay.
Baby, umuntu wasemadladleni lona ebengizishaya nayo. Ngihlukene naye.
Why can't ungitshela manje?
Baby akithi ngithi ngizokutshela bese se right. And uthi yabona nawe vele anginaki nokumnaka mfethu lo
Kanti
muntu.
sikho right.
Ngithi sejele ukuthi ngikutshele le ndaba lena.
Ungasachazi
Baby,
sengiyenziwe lula.
mamela mfethu. Le muntu lona mfethu.
Ungasachazi.
Bengishaya naye njengoba bekhuluma ngada mfethu. It's not like ukuthi manje ini kanjani mfethu.
But then the child?
Ichild ungakudala naye lo mntana mfethu before ngizwana.
7 years ago. And you didn't talk.
Junior wakho. Mina angisakufuni.
Baba ka boy.
Baby man no, mana
Ah, akisakubata.
mfethu. Mana baby
Usale naye.
angeke mina ngikubhayise.
You so offense.
Ukhazi wa atumela. Wangichaza ibile wa atumela. Ke comment ka ngito.
Ngizakubheka isitori sekudlendi. Ngizakubheka isitori sekudlendi ukuthi kwenzakalani mfethu.
But the story sana
Baby,
I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
She doesn't want to hear it.
Ngiyakubhayisa mina before. Ngiyakubhayisa
Yini
mina.
le uyenzayo manje?
Baby mana.
Manje wenza ini?
Ngizama ukuthi mfethu nawe awu mfethu. Iyakudala mfethu. Iyakudala mfethu.
Abana story so. O tla tshela Tshepi le dimpintsi tsa hao.
Okay, Jabu, we're wrapping it up, ne? You decide. Offense, you're done.
Offense, come baby man. Yo.
She's done. My scat, you can go home, right? You don't need a transport or whatever.
Yo.
You don't need transport. Jabu, are you fine?
I'm okay, but yo.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Offie, baby.
Are you gonna go to her or are you gonna stay with us?
Offie! Baby, come on, man.
Okay, you'll figure out. We'll give you time to think. I'm sorry.
All right, CMTV viewers, that is it from me. It has absolutely gone bananas. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ See you later. Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. Don't be yase pebecha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Simfanele sima. Uzosho ukuthi akwazi.
Hey, akuhlangene nosimami.
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?